Yes, outline of my today's presentation is presented in this slide. First, I will talk about why LaTeX, then brief information about LaTeX installation. Then I'll be talking about formatting text like bold, underline, italics, how to blue color text, red text, brown text, etc. How to highlight text, also left and right alignment, line spacing, various font sizes in LaTeX. These are the few important formatting aspects I have selected for the LaTeX. Then I'll be mainly focusing on LaTeX code for basic mathematical expressions. Under that, we'll see various spaces between letters, mathematical symbols, creating various mathematical expressions, creating equations, multiple equations, and aligning them, inserting images and tables. Let me talk about why LaTeX is important. Nice document that the common mistake made by us is we pronounce LaTeX as latex, but the pronunciation of this word is LaTeX and not latex, or we may pronounce it as LaTeX, but not latex. LaTeX is high quality document preparation. It can be used to prepare documents like almost all the form, like articles, research papers, scientific and technical documents, presentations, scorecards, bills, letters, books, reports, and almost any form of publishing document. Accuracy and precision is achieved at the micro level in LaTeX. This point we'll see in our presentation. LaTeX is an open source software available for different operating systems like Windows and Linux. And that's why it is also called platform independent. LaTeX generates low size documents with high quality outputs. For example, I have typed my thesis in LaTeX. It constitutes 225 pages, but the size of that big book is just 5 MB. LaTeX takes care of cross-referencing like figures, tables, papers, equations, and index. It is a matter of one click to add a reference or give a reference of any research paper. LaTeX take care of numbering chapters, sections, subsections, figures, list of tables and figures can be generated automatically. This is also important property of LaTeX. Mathematical typesetting, chemical equations, flowcharts can be easily done with LaTeX. So especially this point is important for all the chemistry professors. Chemical equations also can be very neatly can be typeset in LaTeX. LaTeX has large number of packages for different types of documents. With this brief information and importance of LaTeX, let me go ahead with the brief information about LaTeX installation. LaTeX for Windows, we have to download MikTeX software. This MikTeX software is available on this website, miktex.org/2.9/setup. It takes 5 to 10 minutes for the installation of this MikTeX. After installation of MikTeX, it is freely available, open source software. After installation of the MikTeX, we can directly start editing our document because TeXworks is a default editor, comes with MikTeX 2.9. Its salient features are it is platform independent. Platform independent means It can be installed on any operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac, any operating system it can be installed and directly operated. Also, it has embedded PDF. The importance of LaTeX document is directly we can generate a PDF document. And it can be opened on any software or any PC. And main feature is also it supports Indian languages like Telugu, Marathi, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada. Every language is supported by this LaTeX. However, I will be using TextStudio editor. TeXworks is default editor, but I am familiar with TextStudio, so I shall be using TextStudio for demonstration purpose. TextStudio also can be downloaded from the website textstudio.org. Okay. About this slide, I would like to tell one more thing about this, that please assume that we are going in a big mall. So MikTech is like a big mall. There are various sections in the mall like grocery, clothes, footwear, cookery, children wear, stationery, and editor is a customer. The customer selects what he wants to do and then enters the mall and visits that appropriate section to purchase the goods. Suppose he wants to go to the grocery, then he must visit the grocery department. If he visits some other department, the assistant there will say that you are in the wrong department. And not only he will tell that you are in the wrong department, he will guide us to go to the right department. So MikTech is a mall, and when we want to use a particular thing that is not supported by that package, then MikTech will tell us that please go to the another package, use another package. This is not the appropriate package. We'll come to that point later in detail. For the next thing, let me come to the contents. Let me come to the formatting text. Now with this, from this slide, I will be demonstrating the things on LaTeX editor. See, okay, I hope you are able to see the screen of my PC. Bele sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. This is the interface of TextStudio. You can see there are, just a minute. There are 3 parts of the screen. The left-hand side part where you are watching some written text is editor. Right-hand side blank part, here we will see the output. As well as left-hand side lower part is the message. If you are confronting some errors, then it will be displayed here. Otherwise, if there are no errors, it also displays the message, no error, you are successfully compiled the program. So it is a programming language basically. So, so this is the, I will start editing now. Here, this is the editor. Like one is given by, one is the line number. So how to demonstrate this? The minimum things we need to develop a document is only 3 things. Yesterday also, Dr. K. Pravas demonstrated the same. We must select the document class. Document class. Here, 12 point is the output of the document, a PDF document. A4 paper, we have to write it continuously. The output will be suitable for A4 paper size. And then in curly bracket, I will be selecting the article document. The square bracket values are optional. whereas curly brackets values are compulsory or mandatory. Then let me come to the next line. Here I will be starting with the actual document. Every command starts with this symbol. This is also called reverse slash. I will be giving command begin. Begin document. Automatically it comes the end document, because whatever we begin, it should have some end. So we should end the document. Whatever we are going to write here will be displayed on the right hand side PDF. So hello everyone, typing just, and if you can see this green button, double arrows. If I click on that, you will see the output generated here, that hello everyone. I emphasize on the fact that this font is nowhere available here. This font, hello everyone, it is very unique font in the universe. Let me come to the document editor again. By the way, the backslash symbol is always confused. So it is there on the, I'll be sharing one picture for that. Just a minute, sir. Okay. The picture is here. Can you see this picture here? That here, this is the backslash, reverse slash. Do not get confused with this forward slash. So we must use this reverse slash for any command. Let me come to the editor once again. Okay. Here, for the mathematics purpose, I need some packages to be used. I have already selected or decided these packages to be used. These are the needful for making the documents. So I will just copy paste here, but I will be explaining this in brief. Use package AMS math. I need this to typeset mathematics. Use package AMS symbol to use some mathematical symbols. Use package graphic X. This will be needed to insert figures. Use package float needed for fixing table position or any image position at a right place. We must give graphics path. Graphics path is given in this line. I'll be explaining this later. We must use package none -8. This will help us to not to break word in a paragraph, because many times it happens that word get broken down and it appears, half of the word appears next paragraph. Use package Xcolor, then color sol, and these are the necessary packages I must use. Then renew command baseline stretch 2 helps us to line spacing. I will be using some examples, so I must create some environment for using example. Author of this is V.V. Nalawade, myself, and title of my talk is LaTeX Code for Basic Mathematical Expressions. First command I'll be giving here is this. Make title. Make title helps us to give the title of our document. So backslash make title is the first command. Let us compile this. This is the title of our document that we are going to generate. We are developing slowly, one by one step. LaTeX code for basic mathematical expressions, author, and automatically the date comes June 2021. Then about the formatting, let me typeset something there. Let me make some sections. Section here. Section is formatting text. Formatting text. How to give the color to a text? Backslash text. Text color is the command. Automatically, it prompts us to use this syntax. If I enter it here, we must enter the color. Let's say blue and the text. Blue text. If we compile this, automatically it generates a blue text. You can see here blue text. Similarly, we can generate text of many colors. If I change it to red, I'm typing this double backslash to enter to the new line. Otherwise, it will be on the same line. Blue, red, yellow, then brown. If we want to mix some other color, two colors, if I want to mix, make it dark brown, then BLACK, black. $50, and then red. Red plus black, 50-50. This is the meaning of this. You can see if I compile this, you see the output as like this. Blue text is red, yellow text, brown, and then dark brown. This is how we can use colors to text for the text. Then how to boldface the letter? The command is very simple. Text BF. Text BF. It is boldface. Boldface. We'll compile it later. How to underline? The command is very simple. Backslash underline. In bracket, I have typed underline. Now underline word will be underlined. We'll see the output later. How to italicize the text? TEXT, text it, text IT. Then it will be producing italic output. Let's compile it now. The black color of the spelling has been mistaken over here. So BLACK, yes. So it was giving an error. Now it has run very correctly. Boldface, underline, and italic. So it is as simple as that. Now I will be typing here some paragraph. For that, the reading of paragraph is not important, but the formatting of the paragraph is important. So I will make the editor font somewhat less, make it 12. Yeah, so the font size is 12. Let me cut paste one paragraph over here. This is the paragraph. Now if I, there are also some symbols. If I compile it, you see the output as the output is justified, left and right justified. But if I select it and use this, here you see the begin flush left, then this text will be flush left, means let's see the output of this. It has been shifted to the left side. That means as if it has been pushed from the right to adjust the left hand side. Similarly, if I use here the flush right, then it will be, we must end it with the right. Flush left, begin flush left, end flush, begin flush right, end flush right. Compile it. Let us see the output. So now the text has been shifted to the right side as if it has been compressed or pushed from the left side. This is how we can see, make the justification or flush left, flush right commands. Let me delete this and increase the font of the editor so that everything is clearly visible. Oh, with this small formatting aspects, now let me go to the mathematical mathematics text, mathematical topics. Let me begin with one section, the spaces between letters. How to create spaces between the letters. Okay. Yesterday, K. Pravas sir told that how to enter and leave the mathematical mode. So a student should not get confused that everything as we are typing mathematics, as we are students of mathematics, everything is mathematics. It is not like that. Suppose yesterday he told that we must enter and leave mathematics mode by a dollar symbol. Suppose I type here, consider equation x is equal to y and compile it. See the output. It is consider the equation x is equal to y appeared as a single string because it has everything has been considered as a mathematics. But consider equation is not the part of the mathematics display. So I'll cut it or I'll paste it here once again and see the, just I will move consider equation outside of the dollar symbol. Consider the equation and then compile it. Now it has been appeared right. So we must take care where to leave, enter and leave mathematics mode. Otherwise there will be no spaces. Also, let me want to type alpha A. The command for alpha is \alpha, alpha. And if I type it A, it has been showing red because alpha A is not recognized by LaTeX. So if I put space over here and compile it, you see it is appeared alpha A. No space in between alpha and A. If we want to give space over there, then we must use backslash space A. Backslash space A. Backslash space is a command for giving the space. If I compile it, let us see the output. Now the space has been appeared. Now if I want to increase more space on that, increase the space on that, what to do? there is one more command called alpha QUAD, quad, quad A, quad camera. All of us are using quad camera. Why it is called quad camera? Because there is a distance between two cameras. Two cameras are separated by some distance. So that is meaning space between two letters. Compile it. So now there is a more space over there. Okay. Also, space can be also attained by using the symbol tilde, alpha tilde A in mathematics mode. Otherwise, in mathematics mode, we cannot get space over there. Alpha tilde A. See, you see the space over there, alpha A. Okay. With this small information of spaces, now let me go to the next section. Mathematical symbols. Mathematical symbols. Thousands and lakhs of mathematical symbols are available in LaTeX. Word cannot be compared with the LaTeX in the case of mathematical symbols. Thousands of symbols are available. Okay, let me give you some of them. Alpha is already given. Greek, all the Greek letters like beta, gamma, all automatically it pronounce gamma. Then alpha, beta, gamma, theta. These are the some examples. Delta. Sorry. Delta. Let me go to the next line. Although also capital Greek letters like theta, it to be capital like this. The symbol for the code for capital theta is capital T, just capital T, H-E-T-A, capital theta. Capital gamma, just G capital. And all the things, all the also are there. Phi, capital Phi, capital P-H-I, all the things. Let me compile this to see some of the mathematical symbols, how beautifully they occur in output. Beta, gamma, theta, delta, and capital theta, gamma, capital gamma, and capital Phi. How beautifully they are occurring. It cannot be generated in Word. Such a beautiful documents. With this, I told there are thousands of mathematical symbols, but few of them are there. Let me share my screen to tell you these are the symbols, mathematical symbols, Greek letters. This left hand side is output, whereas right hand side is the code for that symbol. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota. You can see. Bele sir, I'm not able to share my screen because the message comes host disabled participants screen sharing.
1 minute, 1 minute. I will do it. No problem. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, no. You can now share.
No message. The same message comes.
1 minute. Now you can share.
Yes. It is possible now. Yeah. These are the Greek letters. These are the few more Greek letters. Where epsilon, where theta, Var-rho, Var-rho, Var-sigma, Var-phi. These are the capital Greek letters. These are the binary operations like plus minus, minus plus. This is, I told that this is the code. Right, left hand side is the syntax, whereas right hand side is the output of that syntax. Backslash, I'm sorry, left hand side is the output, right hand side is the syntax. Backslash pm, if we type backslash pm, it generates plus minus, cap, cup, u plus, square cap, and all the symbols are there. For division, we type backslash div to generate the symbol for the division. Especially these symbols are useful in abstract algebra, all the binary operations. Arrows, see the variety of arrows available in LaTeX. Any arrow, northeast arrow. If we type backslash ne arrow, it gives us the output like this arrow, this type of arrow. Delimiters, these are the various types of brackets available in LaTeX. Floor functions, ceiling function, left angle, right angle, backslash, up arrow, down arrow, block up arrow, down arrow, and all these. Relations, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, all these subset, superset, and all the greater than or equal to. This symbol can be generated by using backslash GG. All these are very important mathematical expressions useful in typesetting mathematical document. Variable size symbol. Yesterday, Dr. K. Pravas shared this all these symbols with us. Okay. So mathematical symbols, I have given some examples and shown the document in which there are thousands of symbols available. Let me go to the next section to cover it fast. That various mathematical expressions. Various mathematical expressions. Very important topic for all the students, all the participants over here. Yesterday also, Pravasar demonstrated some expressions. I'll be revising this. Subscript x underscore 0, superscript x, cap, square, x square, then a subscript and superscript. Each time I'm typing $$ because it is all these are mathematical expressions. X naught square, x naught square. We'll see the output later. X naught square. Then SQRT, square root of x. What about cube root of x? Cube root of x has the same syntax. SQRT. You see here the second option, SQRT, this a square bracket and then a curly bracket. Here, if we want cube root, then cube root of x, then in square bracket type 3 and in curly bracket type x. If there is nothing in the square bracket, it will automatically go to the square root. Otherwise, it will go to the cube root. Similarly, what about nth root? SQRT, just type in square bracket nth root of x, and see the output. The beauty of output is very nice because nothing can be compared with LaTeX output. It has specially developed for preparing beautiful documents. though learning LaTeX is somewhat difficult, but once we learn, it creates a lot of interest in all the students. I'm sure about that. Yesterday, Professor told how to type a fraction. It is very simple. Simple FRAC stands for the fraction, and it prompts us to give numerator. NUM stands for the numerator, and DEN stands for the denominator.
Excuse me, Nalluri sir.
Yes,
Excuse
sir.
me.
Yes.
Your screen is paused. It is where visible variable sided symbols math mode. Yes, now it's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Now, can you see the section various mathematical expressions? Bele sir? Bele sir?
Yes, it's okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Backslash FRAC AB. Then, if there are complicated expressions like, say, in numerator and denominator, if there are complicated symbols like 6x plus 5 at the numerator and at the denominator, let's say log x. Log x, the command for that backslash log log. Suppose we want to type it log to the base 10, log underscore 10, and then because I must put curly bracket over here for the 10. Okay, 10 in curly bracket, log to the base 10, log of x. Now let's compile this everything. Let us see the output. A by B, fraction A by B, 6x plus 5 divided by log to the base 10x. Okay. What if I use, instead of frac, if I use defrac, and then compile it, it has been increased. 6x plus 5 divided by log x 10, log x has been, the font size has been increased. Okay. These are the various mathematical expressions. For the cos theta, sin theta, we have the various simple commands are backslash cos, backslash say cos theta. It generates a mathematical look like again a cos theta. See here. Wait. Yeah. Cos theta. So these are the various mathematical expressions. If I want to type f is a function from double colon 0 infinity 0 comma infinity, syntax is backslash infty. 2 means it is an arrow here. Backslash it is right arrow. It is going to the right hand side. RIGHTARROW. Right arrow. One more bracket. 0 comma infinity. F is a function from 0 infinity to 0 infinity. This is the output of that syntax. F is a function from 0 infinity, arrow 0 infinity. This is also very common mathematical expression we need to use. What if we want to type A is congruent to B modulo C? It is mathematical mode. A equivalent, EQUI, EQUIV, equivalent to B. Now I must put a space between equiv and B. B mod backslash MOD mod B mod C. A is equivalent to B mod C. The output is A is congruent to B modulo C. A is congruent, 3 lines. Instead of equal sign, there are 3 lines because congruence relation, there are three lines. A is congruent to B modulo C. This is also a common mathematical expression. Then yesterday he told about the integration. Professor told. I'll just take the revision of that. It's very simple. Integration int limit 0 to 1. Underscore 0 means lower limit. Cap 1 means it is upper limit. F of x dx. We'll coming to the triple integration. How to type that letter? This is integration 0 to 1 f of x dx. Okay, fine. How to type f composite f n times means it is f composition of f with itself. F cap n of x means it is composition of f with itself. So we want to type f composite f n times. See how beautifully it can be done. The special command for that is backslash over brace. The text is f composite. For that backslash CIRC circle. CIRC, a small circle will appear after f. F composite f, one more circle, then dot. Here it is n times, right? So for dot, the command is backslash CDOTS, C dots. Now it is n times, so it is cap n dash times, n times. Let us see the output of this. This is f. Let me take it to the second line so that we can easily visualize this. This one, f raised to n means it is f composition of f with itself n times f composite n times, but it is not clearly appeared here. Let us see what is the problem. Because n times is not typed in a curly bracket because it is a big expression. So I must use a curly bracket for that. Full curly bracket, n times, because it is not single n. If it is n, it is appearing at the top, but it is n times. Now let's compile it once again. Now it has appeared right. Lastly, there is no f. I can type it here. C dot circle CIRC space f. Compile it once again. F composite f n times of x. Of x also can be done here. Of x, it is outside of this bracket, in bracket x. F composite f of x. This one. Okay. So such a nice output can be generated. This is not correctly coming. Let me remove this x and compile it. F composite f n times. Okay, fine. Let me go to the next topic so that I can cover maximum things in this. Let me begin one example. I have already created one environment for the example. New theorem, example. This will help me to write one example over there. So the command for beginning one example is backslash begin example, and it clearly I have to end it also. End example end example. In this example, I will be typing a metric. How to type a metric? \begin metric. Sorry, matrix. Begin matrix. How to type a matrix? This is the environment for matrix. Okay. Begin matrix, end matrix. Suppose there are 2 rows and 2 columns. The first row is AB, second row is CD. A and B. Next line means double backslash C and D. I actually should not enter the here. I should not go from line number 60 to 61. It takes care by this double symbol. But for the understanding, sake of understanding, and for the sake of good display, I am just taking it to the second line. Let us see the output of this. Example, this one. Example 1. This is the first example. A, B, C, D. Okay. But there are no brackets over there. So if I put only matrix, it generates a matrix without any brackets. Now I'll copy paste it. Control C, Control V, copy paste. And instead of matrix, I will type just B matrix, B. If I type it here, it automatically get typed here, B matrix, and compile. Let me type few more things and then compile after some time. Instead of B matrix, let me type here capital B matrix, capital B. I'll copy paste this also. And instead of B matrix, I will be typing V matrix, V, small v. And finally, I'll copy paste it. And instead of small v, I'll be typing capital V. Now let us compile it and see the output. What are the different outputs we get about this? First is without any braces. Second is a square bracket. Third is curly bracket. And the fourth is determinant AB. And the last one is norm like symbol. Various types of matrices can be typed like this. Very interesting is the, let me share my screen of this notepad. If I want to type something like this, mod x is equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x if x is less than 0. Let me add something in that, and I want one more expression side by side to this expression, that characteristic function of A is equal to 1 if x belongs to A and 0 if x do not belong to A. If I want to type such a type of expressions, side by side expressions, let us see the code for that. Very interesting code. This will be the last. This is the last thing I will be discussing with you, and we'll be discussing integration also. Let me begin with one example. Begin example. Begin example. In this example, I will be typing whatever I have written just now on my screen. Here the command is begin align at, ALIGN, align at. Let me put star for that. I'll tell why I have put star over there. Begin align at star, and in square bracket I'll type 2 because there are 2 expressions. Next, begin aligned, 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 begin aligned. Okay, here mod x backslash vert stands for the vertical straight line x. One more vertical straight line backslash vert. So it will type mod x. Okay. Enter. Here I will begin cases. Begin cases. CASES. Begin cases. Fine. It is x if x is greater than or equal to backslash GEQ greater than or equal to 0. Next line means double backslash, enter minus x if x is less than 0. For less than, there is a symbol, there is a button on our keyboard, less than 0. Okay. Fine. Next, this alignment is over. Let me go to the next expression, backslash begin ALIGNED, begin aligned. Chi characteristic function of A, backslash CHI, chi stands for the characteristic function. Which of what? Chi underscore A. It is a characteristic function of A. Enter and then begin cases, BEGIN, begin CASES, begin cases. The content, we have to type the content over here. It is again 1 comma if x belongs to A, means backslash in. Backslash in means x belongs to A. Next line, 0 if x is not in A, it is NOT in, not in A, because x do not belongs to A. The syntax for that is x not in A. Everything has been completed. Now let us see the output. This is the output. Example, this one, example 2, here, whatever is there, 2 mod x. Many corrections are needed for that. It is not a good alignment, not a good output for that. Let me make some changes over there. Begin align at star. I have to use a curly bracket over here. Curly bracket, that was the mistake. It is compulsory it is compulsory value. It is not mandatory to align it at. Then, okay, fine, vertical. This will remove this 2. Mod x is equal to, I have forgotten to type, is equal to vertical x is equal to, then chi A is equal to. Okay, fine. Then if is not appearing good, here also if is not appearing good because it is looking like I of x. Let us remove that lacuna. For that, I will be using backslash MBOX, mbox, and put if in that curly bracket. And then this space is not recognized by LaTeX. So for that, I will be using tilde. If space x, here also I'll be using that symbol mbox command, and if in that curly bracket, if mbox x not in x, the space is not recognized because it is a mathematical mode, so I put tilde. You can put backslash space or tilde, both of these are same. Fine, I have to do the same things here also, backslash mbox if in curly bracket, and then a tilde. Here also backslash mbox curly bracket complete, and then tilde. Mbox if, what is the length of if word? It's adjusted in the next line also. See the output now. X, if x is greater than or equal to 0, and See, now it is nicely looking. Example number 2, mod of x is equal to so and so. X is less than 0. So this is how we can typeset various beautiful mathematical expressions for typesetting. Fine, because yeah, begin example. Align at, if I use dollar, there is a line number 72. There is an error over here. B metric, yeah. For metric, because I must use the dollar symbol, dollar end, begin and end with dollar, because there are lot many errors appeared in the error box, in the message box. For every metric, we must use the dollar. Begin with dollar and end with dollar. I have done that. Yes, here also. Everything is showing red. Red means there is some mistake, some error. Yeah, it has compiled, but there are some lacunas. Okay, fine. Now this I have compiled, and this is the outcome of that. Fine. If I put here dollar within aligned environment, let us see dollar in alignment in vertical. Before mod x, let me put dollar, and here also dollar. Now it shows the there is, now it will definitely show one error. Yes, many errors are there. Actually, in align environment, we should not use dollar symbol. This is the common mistake done by a new typesetter. Students, please note that we should not use dollar symbol in align environment.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I request you, we have only 10 minutes, so please shorten your presentation.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, let me go to the last topic, that last section of insert images and tables. Images and tables. Yesterday, some of the students requested to consider this. Inserting an image is very easy. For that, I have taken care which image I am going to insert in my presentation. For that, I have used the package, use package graphic X, and then which image is I'm going to insert is taken care by this path. Graphics path. In curly bracket, I have given the path of that. Path is given like this, curly bracket, images, forward slash. This is forward slash, not a backslash. Forward slash. Images is the name of my folder. Okay, let me show you. Now this file has been saved in my D folder. In my D folder, yes, this is the D folder. Yeah, let me go to the, let me show you clear path. D folder, Shivaji College lecture, and then my file is here, demonstration file. In the same folder, there is a folder images, and in this there are two images. One is nature, name of the first image is nature, the other one is reverse slash. So I will be inserting one of the images in my document. Yeah. Insert. How to insert? Very easy. Backslash include graphics. Include graphics. Okay. Image file. It is what is the name of that? Nature. Include graphics nature. I'll compile it. For that I must give so line 108 is ended by end document, end example, begin example, end. Yeah, here it is begin matrix, one of the example is not, I will end this. One example was not ended. So I'll end that example. So this is the mistake many of the times happen. Sorry. Example. Now this error will go. Now I'll run it and see we have inserted one image over there. Let us see what is that, where that image is there. This is the image, but it is too large. It is getting out of the page. Okay. So here, before the name of the nature, there is a there we can type a square bracket and give the scale. SCALE. Scale is equal to 0.35. 1 means full, 100%. 35 means 35%. Let us see the output. Now it has been reduced. The size has been reduced. Okay. We can also give the name of this name to this this caption. Begin. Here for that we have to create one environment. Begin image. Sorry. Begin figure, and then end figure. For the at the type of place of content, I will put this include graphics nature. Control X, Control V. Yeah. I can give the name of that by \caption. Caption name is nature. NATURE. So let us see the output. That it is figure. Now it has been appeared anywhere in the document. Before example 2, I have to take care it should appear at the right place. So after begin figure, in square bracket I will type H. H means it should appear at the same place where we want to wish it should appear. It has appeared the same place. Figure 1 nature. Okay. Now let's go to the last point, that how to insert the table. Begin table. The commands are very familiar, very simple. Begin table. Here I'll give the caption, name of the table. Caption, CAPTION, caption. Caption of that, let's give the name of that papers in MSc. Papers in MSc part 1. Papers in, this is the name of the table. Name of the table. Papers in MSc. Double. Okay, fine. How to now begin? Here we begin our table. For that, the environment is begin tabular. Begin tabular. How many columns are there to be given in next curly bracket? Suppose there are 3 columns. C, C, C. Every cell is arranged, aligned, center. Text is aligned center. Now the columns are, what are the entries? The first entry is suppose serial number. And means we are going to the next cell. Name. And means we are going to the next cell. PAPER. Paper. Enter. We want serial number 1 and name real analysis and paper 1 and real analysis paper 1 and 2 and next tracker algebra and paper 2. Okay, let's compile that. See, it has been appeared like this. Table 1, papers in MSc Mathematics. We have to correct it a lot. If I want borders for that, vertical line after every C and before C. Before C, every C. We want horizontal borders also. So enter and give H line, means horizontal line, backslash H line, horizontal line. Okay, after every row, backslash HLINE, horizontal line. Okay, fine. If I compile it, let us see. Yeah, vertical lines are not there, means top border and the bottom border is not there. So I can do it like this: H line at the top, backslash HLINE, H line, and at the end, enter and type backslash HLINE at the end. Okay, it looks beautiful if I put two horizontal lines, H line, backslash H line, two horizontal lines. Let us see the output. Yeah, this line. Misplaced, no alignment. Double enter, and then the table has been appeared at different place. So again, in curly bracket, in square bracket, H. Compile it. So it is appearing like very. We want a center alignment for that. Begin in backslash centering, 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 begin centering. The table will appear at the center place of the page. Yes. Papers in MSc Mathematics Part 1. Okay, so this is the small introduction to the table. And then I think I have covered everything I wanted to cover in my presentation. But if I have 2 minutes, Bele sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I have 2 minutes more?
Hello.
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 Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. In this interface also, I'm sorry. On this LaTeX Studio Text Studio interface, you can see various symbols. B for left hand side, B is boldface, italic, underline, left, flush right, and all these double dollar. LaTeX, here document class are available. Make title, all these commands are available here. I request students and all the participants to download this Text Studio and go through all the options available on the board, all the menus available on the Text Studio screen. So I will now stop my actual presentation and I will welcome if there are any questions. Over to Bele sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Any questions from participants?
Chat box.
If you have any question, you can post your question in the chat box or you can ask.
One question has been there by Shwetaja Sonar. How to download packages? We don't have to actually take care about downloading a package. Just use the command and compile. The Miktex will automatically recognize what type of package is required, and it will give us the message, this package is missing. Do you want to install it? We have to click on OK. It will be automatically get installed. We don't have to care about much about the installation of packages. Please, sir, tell about how to insert all mathematics symbols in LaTeX. I think I have told you, we have to enter the mathematical symbol within dollars, $2, and various mathematical symbols are available. Maybe I will be sharing the PDF file with Dr. C.D. Bele. Can we change background color of PPT? Yes, yes. From Rutuja Sable. We can, of course, change the background color of PPT. The document class for the PowerPoint presentation is Beamer, and Beamer is the most beautiful thing for the PowerPoint presentation. Variety of things are available, and it gives us a very beautiful presentation. See, for example, this is presented in Beamer. If I make it full class, okay, this is the Beamer presentation. I have done this in Beamer, very important. You can go to, yeah, this is the, let me show the last slide. For the, yesterday somebody asked how to learn LaTeX in deep. Okay, there is one book, a document preparation system, LaTeX by Leslie Lamport. Very nice book, very preliminary basic things have been covered. You can also visit websites, overleaf.com, tech.stackexchange.com and sharelatex.com. All these three websites are very important for learning mathematics. You can ask questions over there and get the answers for that. Any question? Whenever we write in equation term, then we see more gapping in two line. How to remove the gapping? There may be some double black slashes appeared. We have to remove that, the double black slashes. How to draw a line, a real line with numbers. Okay, we cannot draw picture in, but we can insert the picture. First, make the picture, and after that, insert that image in the document. Can I make PPT change background color? Yes, you can. We can. How to write equation without numbering? Yeah, very nice question. Without numbering, that's why I put star over there. Align at star. Star means no numbering. If we remove star, we get the numbering for that equation. Star plays the important role in numbering equation. Without star, we get equation. With star, equation number has been removed. How to insert image in LaTeX? I have answered that. How we make a matrix in LaTeX? That also I told. I think yes, all the questions have been, I have seen, and almost I'm at my level, tried to answer them. Let me share my screen, last screen for that. Thank you very much, Bele sir.
Thank you.